Hi kids, my name is Kasey and welcome to this beginner guitar series. Today we're going to learn about the parts of the guitar, how to hold the guitar, and we'll even do a bit of playing. Make sure you stick around for the whole video because I want to make sure that you're all set to rock and roll for the rest of this series.
Unlock your true potential.
Let's talk about guitars. So there are two basic guitar types, acoustic and electric. Either one is fine for learning because we basically play them the same way. Now let's look at this acoustic guitar. It has many parts. The big part's called the body. This long part here is called the neck. This piece here is the bridge. At the bridge, we can see strings coming out. Hey, by the way, how many strings does the guitar have? That's right! The guitar has 6 strings. Okay, let's go back to the neck. On the neck, we see these metal things sticking out. These are called frets. Now, as we go down the neck, we reach the head, and at the head, we see these knobs called tuners. These knobs help us to tune the guitar. One thing that I'll ask is to make sure to not turn these knobs until we've learned how to tune the guitar. If you do, you could make your guitar really out of tune, or you could even snap a string. Ouch! That's about it for the parts of the guitar. There are actually more, but we don't need to go into any more detail right now. Now let's talk about holding the guitar. We want to make sure playing the guitar is as easy as possible. That's why it's important to hold the guitar in a way that's comfortable for us. If you're sitting, I recommend sitting on a low chair or cross-legged on the floor. If you want to stand and play, you'll need a guitar strap. It connects to your guitar and goes over your shoulder so that you can stand and play without holding the guitar with your hands. Now that we've covered some of the basics, let's do some playing. Let's strum the strings. You can either use your thumb or a guitar pick. If you don't have a guitar pick, that's okay. Either way works. If you do have a guitar pick, hold it like this. Let's keep strumming. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Strumming is when we play more than one string at a time. Let's keep practicing. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. When I say rest, I touch my hand to the strings and I make them stop ringing like this. Now let's practice picking the strings. We're going to start with the top string and pick down like this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do that again. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome! The top string is actually the 6th string, and the bottom one is the 1st string. Now let's start from the bottom and go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Amazing! If your guitar strings don't sound like mine when you play them, it could mean that your guitar is out of tune. That's okay. We'll talk about tuning in the next video. For now, just keep rocking. It's time to review. If you'd like to practice on your own, you can do the 2 exercises that we learned today. Strumming the strings like this. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. And you can pick the strings. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you go from the bottom up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will do it for our first lesson. Thank you for following along today. Congratulations on taking the first steps to learn the guitar. I have a lot more to teach you, so make sure that you keep an eye out for the next video in this series, because there's so much more to learn. Bye, dudes!